If you've been scrolling through endless specs, watching video after video, and still feel stuck wondering whether a mega-capacity washer-dryer combo is worth the space and the price, you're not alone. Most of us have that moment where the numbers look great on paper, but you keep picturing the unit in your laundry room, wondering if it'll actually make life easier or just become another appliance you have to work around. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk through exactly how the LG WT8400CWPRK1 matte black set performs in the real world, what kind of household gets the most mileage out of it, and where the value really lies beyond the glossy marketing copy. First off, let's talk about capacity. This pair is marketed as mega, and that's not just a buzzword. The washer can handle a full weekend-sized bedding set or a pile of sports uniforms in a single load, and the dryer is sized to match, so you're not left waiting for a second cycle just because the drum is too small. For families with 3 or more kids, or anyone who does bulk laundry on the weekends, that extra room translates directly into fewer trips to the laundry room and a noticeable drop in overall energy use because you're running fewer cycles. I've seen people with smaller households, couples without a lot of linens, still appreciate the space when they need to wash a large blanket or a set of curtains, but they'll also notice that the machine occupies a bigger footprint than a standard 4 cubic foot unit. If floor space is already tight, that trade-off is worth a hard look. The TurboWash technology is another headline feature, and in practice it does what it promises. It reduces wash time without sacrificing cleanliness. The system uses high-pressure water jets combined with a rapid drum motion, so a typical load that would have taken an hour can finish in roughly 30 minutes. That's handy when you're juggling work, school drop-offs, and a soccer practice schedule. I did a side-by-side test with a regular 45-minute cycle and a TurboWash cycle on the same mixed load of cotton tees and synthetic activewear. The TurboWash load came out just as clean, and the fabrics felt just as soft. The real win here is the time saved, especially for people who prefer to run the washer in the evenings after dinner and still have the dryer ready by bedtime. SmartThinQ Wi-Fi connectivity is where LG tries to make the whole experience feel modern. Using the LG ThinQ app on your phone, you can start, pause, or monitor a cycle from anywhere in the house. The app also pushes maintenance alerts like when the lint filter needs cleaning or when it's time to run a drum cleaning cycle. In practice, the app is responsive and the notifications are timely, but it does require a stable home Wi-Fi network. If you're in a place where the router is in the basement and the laundry room is on the other side of the house, you might notice occasional hiccups. For tech-savvy users who already have smart home routines, integrating the washer and dryer into that ecosystem can be seamless. For someone who simply wants a plug-and-play appliance, the app can feel like an extra step rather than a benefit. Now let's talk about the dryer's steam function. This isn't just a wrinkle reducer. It actually helps refresh garments that have sat in the hamper for a few days. I tried it on a set of cotton shirts that had a faint odor from being left in the laundry basket overnight. After a 20-minute steam-enhanced cycle, the smell was gone and the shirts felt softer, almost like they had just come out of the wash. The sensor dry system also does a good job of adjusting drying time based on moisture levels, which means you're less likely to overdry delicate fabrics that could shrink or become brittle. The downside is that the steam cycle adds a few extra minutes to the total drying time, so if you're in a rush you might skip it. Also, the dryer's capacity, while generous, is still a bit smaller than the washer's, meaning you occasionally have to split a very large load into 2 drying cycles. Noise is another practical point that often gets overlooked until you hear the machine start up. LG's inverter motor is designed for quiet operation, and in my apartment the washer and dryer together stay under a normal conversational volume, even during the spin phase. That's a real plus if your laundry room is near a living area or a bedroom. The matte black finish is more than a style choice. It actually resists fingerprints and smudges better than a glossy white. After a week of use, the surface still looks clean despite the inevitable splashes from a toddler's handprint adventure. So, who should consider buying this set? If you have a busy household that generates a lot of laundry, especially bulky items like comforters, blankets, or sports gear, the mega capacity and TurboWash time savings will feel like a daily relief. If you're already invested in